everybody doing today? It's Brian from Parts and Accessories, live from Pete Cycle, Baltimore. We're going to tell you about some deals that are going on this holiday season. Remember, code word, Santa Claus. Come on in. Here we are, Pete Cycle. We got some plow specials going on this time of the year. Here we are, we got our Hondas, TRX 500 and 420s. We have an open trail system, manual lift, or winch if you prefer, starting at $700, all the way up to about $1,100. Code word Santa Claus, remember, 10% off. Follow me over to Polaris. Even better deals from Polaris over here, guys. Same deal, 10% off plows if you prefer, or services offering a deal of a free install on the winch if you get a plow system as well. They're going to run you just under $1,200, but if you use code Santa Claus, 10% off. We didn't forget about you hunters either. We got some racks in stock as well. Gun boots will meet all your needs this holiday season. If you have any questions, give us a call. I'm Brian in Parts and Accessories. It's called Dustin downstairs. We have some salesmen waiting for you here at Pete Cycle, Fullerton.